Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal's workshop here. Guys, printer is blinking all lights, okay? This can be due to fatal error or ink pad error. The printer model is 3251, okay? Uh, every one of you knows about the ink pad error, but right now printer is in fatal error state. If I will go to Quick Reset Utility, and it's showing me here, you can see it's showing me fatal error. Ink pad is 18%, so there is no ink pad error, fatal error. So I want to show you today what is the reasons for fatal errors if you disassemble the printer. And everyone knows you that the disassemble of this L3251 like this, okay? Disassemble like this, and we will lift it up. The fatal error causes. Today we are going to discuss the fatal error. You have to make sure that in new printers there is one ribbon from the company. The user of this printer didn't remove this. You have to remove this because it's create disturbance while the ink carriage move from right to left. This is the one cause. Second, here I see one paper is dropping over here. Also we have to remove this paper. Okay. Third is there is one encoding strip here. If this encoding strip is dirty or there's a grease or ink on the encoding strip, so while it's rotate, it's not initialized properly, so it's the printer shows fatal error. Okay, so these are three main reasons for fatal error. Whenever your printer is showing all light blink and there is a fatal error on the screen, you have to make sure that the ink carriage is moving very smoothly. There is no thing stuck over here in the right path, and encoding strip should be clean and neat. Transparent strip is this, okay? So you have to make sure I think everything, and nothing else regarding fatal error only due to this ink carriage alignment mechanism of ink carriage through these encoding strip and gear and drive gears. Hope you understand about the fatal error. If now I will see uh, if I will turn on back the printer and we'll see the error is gone or not. I have turned off, will turn back on, and if I will on my screen, printer is initializing. Before it was showing right away after startup fatal error, and the same method will work in every kind of Epson printer. If your Epson printer is showing fatal error, you have to see these things as I mentioned. If I will press OK, refresh, read west counter, and there is no error now. Printer is in ready state. Hope you understand it. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.